Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Welcome to day 6, my friends, of Vlogtober. We are one day away from finishing our first weekly challenge, which means tomorrow we will be announcing our new challenge, and I am looking forward to seeing what that is going to be. For those of you who are just jumping on the bandwagon with us, real quick about what we're doing for the month of Vlogtober, Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey and I have teamed up to share a weekly challenge with you guys for every week in the month of October. For the first week, our challenge is to share a motivational or inspirational quote each day. You guys can share yours down in the comments here, or if you want to go over to Suzy's Facebook page, which is also called Suzy's Health Journey, you can go over there and join in the discussion with us. I will link both Suzy's Facebook page and her YouTube channel down below, so if you guys want to head over to either one, it would be fantastic. Okay, so this week, instead of sharing a specific motivational quote or inspirational quote, I have been sharing a unique form of affirmations. These are called affirmators. I like to refer to them as affirmations with a twist or a little bit of chaos, because you know me, Chaos Jen. So real quick before we get started, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I would love to have you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. We are finally over 800 subscribers, which means we will be having an 800 subscriber giveaway at some point this week. I'm kind of thinking maybe Sunday, might be Saturday, guys, so stay tuned for that one. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below and I will get back to you. And let's see what our affirmator for today says. Gotta put on my glare goggles, guys, sorry. Okay, here we go. Oh, look. It's got a picture on it this time. I like that. Peacefulness. I have a peaceful, tranquil, and untroubled heart. This is where I choose to spend my time. I can bring guests, but any person, thought, or event that brings drama or chaos, except for me, of course, is not invited. My heart is a special property, and I'm going to keep it that way so we can all keep enjoying it, and I can get my security deposit back. Boom. What do you guys think? I like that one. I feel like this one's different. Not just a picture, but I feel like the way it's read or the way it reads is different than normal. So let's go ahead and break this down. I have a peaceful, tranquil, and untroubled heart. I think that's everybody's goal. I mean, I know that's definitely mine. I like to keep the chaos to a minimum. I like lighthearted, fun, non-troubling chaos. I'm not good about keeping the drama out, though, guys. I'll tell you what. I get my heart invested in so many things that I really don't need to be that passionate about, and I end up getting hurt and stressed out and frustrated a lot more than necessary. What about you guys? Are you guys the same way? It would definitely behoove me to work on focusing on what I allow to affect my heart, and also my response to those things. So my heart is a special property and I'm going to keep it that way so we can all keep enjoying it. Which, guys, I agree with that too. I mean, when I'm having a bad day, when my heart is hurting and full of chaos and drama, I know that definitely affects the people around me, because then I get whiny and I get cranky and irritated and it just happens. So guys, what do you guys do to protect your heart? Let me know down in the description. I hope this makes sense. I feel like it's a little bit of a chaotic card for us today. It says, any person, thought, or event that brings drama or chaos is not invited. We do. We definitely have to protect our heart. And in doing so, guys, we achieve peace or peacefulness. Let me know what you guys think down below. What do you guys do to achieve peacefulness in your life? How do you protect your heart? I know I already said that, but I feel like I need to clarify. Peacefulness, protect your heart. Let me know how you do it down in the comments. All right, guys, this is a quick and hopefully painless one for you guys. Real quick again, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up and subscribe thing, I would truly appreciate it. I do have a personal goal of reaching my 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And at the rate we're going, guys, I really think we can do it. So thank you to you all for all of your support. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow for our last motivational quote or inspirational quote and to announce our new challenge for week 2 of Vlogtober. Take care, guys, and until next time, keep smiling. Bye.